Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2006 Harley-Davidson Dyna Lowrider. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 30,598 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need turn signals with sufficient visibility. It will also need rear brake pads, and the front wheel geometry will need to be addressed. Our technician has noted that the forks are lowered and have not been installed at their correct height. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the rocker box is seeping oil, as is the shift shaft seal and the primary gasket. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a large paint chips on the engine casing, pitting on the forks, rust and pitting on the front wheel, pitting on the mirror, and paint missing from the clutch lever assembly, and paint chips on the rear fender. This bike has one key and has been upgraded with a Two Brothers Racing exhaust, a Harley-Davidson Stage 1 intake, aftermarket handlebars, 4-inch handlebar risers, an LED headlight, an LED taillight, aftermarket rear shocks, grips, a highway bar, and a timing cover. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. Additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.